Welcome back to US Times Today, where we dive deep into the world's most pressing topics and explore the changes shaping our future. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Biden presidency, specifically, the top 10 achievements that have marked his time in office so far. So, let's jump right in. Since taking office, President Joe Biden has undertaken a range of initiatives aimed at addressing the challenges facing the United States. From economic recovery to climate change, his administration has made significant moves. Here are the top 10 achievements of his presidency. Number 1. American Rescue Plan. Passed in March 2021, this $1.9 trillion economic stimulus package aimed to provide relief to individuals, families, businesses, and state and local governments affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. It included direct payments to individuals, extended unemployment benefits, funding for vaccination efforts, and aid to small businesses and schools. Number 2. COVID-19 vaccination effort. Under Biden's leadership, the United States embarked on an ambitious vaccination campaign, initially aiming to administer 100 million doses within his first 100 days in office. This goal was surpassed, with millions of Americans receiving vaccinations against COVID-19, leading to a significant reduction in infection rates and deaths. Number 3. Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. Signed into law in November 2021, this $1.2 trillion bipartisan infrastructure bill aimed to address the country's aging infrastructure, including investments in roads, bridges, public transit, broadband internet, clean water, and renewable energy. It represented a significant bipartisan legislative achievement. Number 4. Climate Action. Biden rejoined the Paris Agreement on climate change shortly after taking office, signaling a commitment to addressing climate change on the global stage. His administration also implemented various measures to reduce carbon emissions, promote renewable energy, and address environmental justice concerns. Number 5. American Families Plan. Proposed in April 2021, this $1.8 trillion plan aimed to invest in American families by expanding access to education, childcare, and healthcare. It included provisions for universal pre-kindergarten, tuition-free community college, paid family and medical leave, and extended child tax credits. Number 6. COVID-19 relief for small businesses. The Biden administration implemented various measures to provide relief to small businesses impacted by the pandemic, including the Paycheck Protection Program (PPP), which offered forgivable loans to help businesses keep their workers on payroll and cover other expenses. Number 7. Executive actions on immigration. Biden signed several executive orders aimed at reversing many of the Trump administration's immigration policies, including the rescission of the travel ban targeting predominantly Muslim countries, halting construction of the border wall, and reinstating the DACA program for undocumented immigrants who arrived in the U.S. as children. Number 8. Expansion of Affordable Care Act (ACA). Biden expanded access to health insurance by reopening enrollment for the ACA exchanges and increasing subsidies to make coverage more affordable for millions of Americans. This was part of his broader efforts to strengthen the ACA and expand healthcare access. Number 9. Diplomatic engagement. Biden pursued a policy of renewed diplomatic engagement with allies and partners around the world, seeking to rebuild international alliances and address global challenges such as climate change, nuclear proliferation, and cybersecurity threats. Number 10. Racial equity initiatives. The Biden administration took steps to address systemic racism and promote racial equity, including issuing executive orders to combat discrimination in housing and the workplace, launching initiatives to promote diversity and inclusion in government agencies, and supporting efforts to address disparities in healthcare and education. These achievements highlight the Biden administration's approach to governance and policy, addressing both domestic and international challenges. It's a presidency marked by efforts to tackle the pandemic, climate change, infrastructure, and social inequality, among others. What do you think of these achievements? Which do you think will have the longest lasting impact? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth analysis and updates. Thanks for watching US Times Today. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.